Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab K11E and let me share with you how to enable the Nylite or comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and find Eye Protection Mode, which is the name of the Nylite in this device. So let's tap on it. And now let's tap on the switcher to turn it on. And now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Here you can also change the intensity. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. You can also schedule that feature. None option is manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can also turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's completely up to you. So this is the customization of this mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those icons here, and now we have to simply find the eye protection, which is right here. So just tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. If you cannot find the eye protection icon here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon, and here in this section you can find those icons which are not applied to the first control center section, let's say. So just find it, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this first position. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.